Hello guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your Google Analytics, and this is for those who do not have the Google Analytics account. I am going to show you one of the clients' website, and I will provide you slides as well with it. Make sure you follow the steps. This is a very important data-driven tools where we get all the data for your SEO and to rank your site better. Okay, so here is an easy way of doing the Google Analytics. Use the email you have signed up with, with us, or have if we build your WordPress website and you have that for that, use that. And plus you, have the purchase your account, that email which you use it for your website, I would recommend use that. So log into your email, then go click on these 9 dots, hamburger sign, and go find the Google Analytics right here. This is the GA's Google Analytics. We call it in short GA. Okay, so it says start measuring it. That's the very first step. Okay, and then my new account name. You can give it a name. If you have few websites, just say my websites. Okay. I am just gonna say all my Zippy websites. All my websites. Because I might have clients' websites here too. So this is not going to the name what your website has. This is just so you can add more. Now you have to say, share your Google data with Google to help improve Google's product and services. I don't know if you have to do that. The pattern for user behavior inspection, a build feature and functional that would benefit customer across that product, such as improving the Google. Okay, what? So then you're gonna say next. Okay, so step 2, it's extremely easy. Now your property name. So ours is Portland pressure washer. I'm gonna say Portland pressure washer. Okay. And then time Los Angeles. So this is Portland. We're gonna keep the same time, but you change time here wherever you are. We work with people who are in different states like Texas, Denver, California, and Seattle. Seattle has the same time, but this is where you change the time. Right now, we don't have to change it. Okay, currency, if you're in the US, you keep that. If you're in the Canada, you put the whatever your currency is. We have some Canadian clients as well. So that's why I'm telling you. Next, it's super duper easy. Industry, we mostly work with contractors. However, we're going to add some other industries, but you pick your industry, whatever you have here, business and industrial, computer, finance, games, health, home and garden. I believe it will be home and garden. Law, government, new online, real estate. Okay. Okay, let's see if we go to home and garden. Okay, because that's related to home service people. And then Google wanted to know how many people you are because they want to sell you services. So I'll probably always keep it to 1 to 10 employee. Next. Okay, generate leads. I'm gonna click to everything, understand web and or other, which will give you all these: generate leads, drive sales, understand web and or app traffic, view. So other business objective, it's gonna give you all these. That's amazing. Okay, now create it. Okay, United States, blah, blah, blah. You have to kind of accept them, because if you won't, they won't let you do anything. I accept. Okay, so now choose a platform, web, Android app, iOS. So we're gonna do web, okay. And now we're gonna put the website, that's one of my clients' website. So we're gonna put paste here, okay. And then let me tell you one thing. If your website has www, you would put www, but right now we're gonna just click portlandpressurewasher.com and HTTPS, because we do have HTTPS, and that's gonna be right here. So you can't double it, just the name of your company or your website and then .com, okay? Stream name, my website, I'm gonna say Portland Pressure Washer, because that's what it is. Okay, so create and continue, okay? Oh, I want to show you something. Here everything should be checked. It's already checked. Show advanced setting. Oh, that's already checked too. You don't have to do anything else, guys, here. So create and continue. Okay, so then you can see that the GA is there. Set up a Google tag. We are going to set up a Google tag now. So let me tell you something. If you are on Zippy client portal, you have to set that up manually, okay? So what are you gonna do? You're gonna copy this tag here, and let me show you where you will go and add that tag in the portal. So we copied it, test copied to text copied. Okay, so you will see under sites, all of you clients, you know that we do give access to websites as long as you do not mess up the sites or break the custom stuff we do. You would see your websites there. So here, you will go to sites and then you're gonna go settings. Okay, right here. I'll go back and show you. You will go to sites and you will see your website sitting right here, whatever your website name is. This is Portland Pressure Washer. That client is Pressure Washing Company. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna not touching anything here, okay? Just this, because we want all the pages to be included. So you're gonna go to this site and now we're gonna head the tracking code. This is where you're gonna put that code. You see that? It's there. And now we're gonna save it. Okay. And now we're gonna go back and we're gonna say, okay, install with CMS. We're not installing with the CMS or website builder because we just copied that, okay? So now we're gonna say test installation. Huh. It should not be like that. Install manually, because I did install manually. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. Google sometimes does goofy stuff too, so retest it. Okay, yeah. So I just had to refresh that page. And here, your Google tag was correctly detected on your site. And then you're gonna do confirm it, right? That's it for your thing. View tag instruction. Data collection isn't active for your website if you install tags more than 48 hours ago. Make sure they're set up correctly.